Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for baby and kids business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to start for free, so you can sign up for free. So let's get started. Okay, now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here you're gonna set up your website and the storefront. So as you see, click here, set up your website and the storefront. It will take you to the editor page. Here we are gonna design and customize your site homepage. So click on the settings, go to the templates, and select the templates you wanna use for the baby and kids business. So maybe I'm gonna use this one here. Okay, so as you see, the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the header in the menu, change the site logo. You can add the logo as an image or as a text as you like. Change the site name. After this you can manage this navigation menu here, the girls and the boy. You can add the menu item as you like. You can change it. You can change this one here. That's it. Now let's go back. The design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your business and your work. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font. Okay, um, like the size and the color. Also you can add the frame outline to make it more clear and more attractive. That's it. The background, choose your favorite background here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the cover and the headline. Here you have to add the tagline. Of course you can change this title and you can keep it just if you like it and if it's matched with your business. The same thing here. You can change the primary action and the design, choose your favorite one. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color and the background. Okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. Change the font on the title. And change the font size or the title size, whatever. That's it. Let's go back now. Let's move on now to the next section. So here you can talk about your products in your business and how and how they are made and what makes them unique. Okay, you can talk about what you offer in this description here in this section. That's it. And the design, you can choose your favorite one, your favorite layout. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the store section. So here you have to create your products. Okay, so wait a few seconds. I'm gonna use this title here. So to create your product, you have to go to the dashboard and click add your products or services. As you see here, click on the new products. Now enter or add the products gallery. Okay, so for example you can go to the browser and search on baby and kids. Okay, I think I have to add supplies here. So okay, I'm gonna choose just a simple image for you have to choose your favorite or your image as your product and as that match with your business. So for example, if you wanna add the baby toys. You can choose these ones here or whatever. You can add this supplies like the clothes of the babies. Okay, so uh, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, you can add one more or three more, whatever you like. Here add the name of your product, the REF and the weight 1 kilogram, and the prices. Here you can customize the prices options, and here don't forget to add the description of your product. So that's it. Now go back. If you're done from here, go back and complete here the design, the background, the title, the product name, and the product image, and the product price. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. The same thing as normal here, nothing special. Add the description and the title. You can change the image just from the browser and choose your favorite layout here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the next. The same thing, nothing special here. The title and the description. You can talk about your products in your business here and explain more about your benefits. Okay, and the design, choose your favorite one. I'm gonna change the color. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next, the customer reviews. You can add the review text and the author name and the rating, and that's it. And the design, choose your favorite one. I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, I'm gonna change the background, and that's it. Don't forget to change the font, the title of the review text and the author and the rating. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next image. Here add an attractive description that matches the title. The title, switch out for the cover, and that's it. The same thing as normal, nothing special here. Okay, now let's go back. The contacts here, you can use this one, this code here on the description. We are always happy to see you. Okay, here you have to enter your business address. You can enter your exact postal address or the plus code. Enter the daily hours and the contact information and the social profiles. Here in the design, choose your favorite layout. So I'm gonna choose this one here. It's attractive and more clear and more better than other ones here. Okay, so that's it. Go back. Now the last section here, the footer section, you have to enter your company name for the copyright. Okay, that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. After you're done, you can just publish your website. Now your site it will be published. You can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.